Unveiling the Meaning, exploring the phrase memento. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, which is the meaning and use of the phrase memento. This is a word that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation. And today, we're going to dive deep into understanding what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, stay tuned. Memento is a noun, and it refers to an object kept as a reminder or souvenir of a person or event. The word has its roots in Latin, where it literally means remember. This word is often used when talking about something that holds sentimental value and is kept to remember a special moment or person in one's life. For example, if you have a small piece of jewelry that was given to you by a loved one, that piece of jewelry can be referred to as a memento. It serves as a physical reminder of the person who gave it to you and a special moment when you received it. Now that we understand what memento means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. She kept the concert ticket as a memento of her first date with Michael. 2. The war veteran held onto his old uniform as a memento of his time in the service. 3. I bought this small sculpture as a memento of our trip to Italy. In each of these sentences, the memento is a physical object that holds special meaning and helps to preserve the memory of a significant event or person. Understanding synonyms is a great way to expand your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for memento. 1. Souvenir, often bought as a reminder of a place. 2. Keepsake, an item kept in memory of the person who gave it or when it was acquired. 3. Token, a thing serving as a visible or tangible representation of a fact, quality, feeling, etc. 4. Remembrance, an object kept to remember or commemorate something. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts as memento, but they might carry slightly different connotations. When using the word memento, one common mistake is confusing it with memento, which is actually not a word in English. The correct spelling is memento. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope that this has been an enlightening journey into the world of the word memento, and that you now feel more confident using it in your conversations and writings. Remember, a memento is more than just an object. It's a bridge to the past, a physical connection to a moment in time that holds special meaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.